If you're an international student or exchange visitor in the US, keeping track of your SEVIS status is really important. Whether you're applying for a visa, transferring schools, or renewing your documents, knowing your current SEVIS status can save you from a lot of unnecessary stress. Now, let's break down the simplest ways to check your SEVIS status step by step. First, the most reliable method is to contact your DSO or RO. That stands for Designated School Official or Responsible Officer. This is usually someone in your school's international office. They're the ones who handle your SEVIS record and can see whether your status is active, completed, transferred, or terminated. Just send them an email or visit their office if you're on campus, and they can quickly give you an update. Next, some schools have their own immigration portals for international students. If your school uses one, log in and look for your SEVIS status under your profile or immigration section. You might also find details about your I-20 CPT or OPT approvals and other visa-related documents. Another quick method is by checking your I-901 SEVIS fee status. If you've already paid the SEVIS fee, head over to the Department of Homeland Security's I-901 website. You'll need your SEVIS ID number, which starts with an N, your last name, and your date of birth. Once you enter that, you can view your payment status and download the confirmation for your records. It doesn't give your full SEVIS status, but it's a helpful extra reference, especially if you're preparing for a visa interview. If you've tried contacting your DSO or checking the portal and still can't find what you need, you can also email SEVP directly at sevp@ice.dhs.gov. Just keep in mind that this should be your last option and they might take a little longer to respond. And that's really it. Your school's international office is your best starting point, followed by any online student portal, and finally, the DHS website for I-901 payment checks. Always double-check your SEVIS status if you're unsure about your visa, travel, or program changes. It's better to catch issues early.